And now it's time to meet our first award recipient. Eddie came to JVS Toronto's Canadian Workplace Communication Program in September 2011, after living in Canada for only a month and a half. He held 2 MBAs, one from Hong Kong and one from Switzerland, but did not have the right qualifications to gain employment in his field in Canada.
I remember when I arrived in Toronto on the first day, there's something in my mind. It's the quote from Jack Welch: "Control your destiny, or otherwise somebody will take it."
In his spare time, Eddie was very involved in the community and believed that giving back was vitally important.
There was an election shortly afterwards, I guess a provincial election, and he was told that he inquired about that and was told that he couldn't do it unless he was a citizen. So he went down to one of the polling centers and just offered his services. He said, who needs a drive to the polls? Who needs a ride?
Eddie was given the opportunity to meet with Peter Nygaard. After a 5-hour interview, Eddie was offered a job as a financial controller in Winnipeg.
There are a lot of organizations in Toronto, but I select JVS because they are really taking care about the newcomers. They give me a lot of support.
Eddie is hardworking, he is passionate, and he's kind. And all these things that I just said really became evident to me probably within the first 10 to 15 minutes sitting with him.
The most important, I believe, this is the wonderful country. This is the dream. Everyone have a dream. This is the message I want to share with all the newcomers. Don't give up.
Let's see what the Dragons have to say.
This is a guy that is a go-getter.
Eddie Lee is a true superstar.
It's not only about getting opportunities, it's about making opportunities and taking opportunities.
The Dragons agree. Eddie Lee is JVS Toronto's 2012 Newcomer Award winner.